This temperature-controlled swimming pool resort with a view in McLeodganj is a must-visit. This cute little town in the lap of Indian and Tibetan cultures, the beautiful McLeodganj is a place of harmony and peace. It is often referred to as the Little Lhasa of the bountiful hills, bearing idyllic vibes and giving us yet another escape from the traditional hikes and trails across the country. Extended to the restaurant is a perfect place for clicking pictures and enjoying the views of McLeodganj, the terrace garden, which is an added advantage to the beauty of Asia Health Resorts and Spa. An extension of the wonderful restaurant, this terrace gives a stunning view of the Pong Dam Lake alongside Kangra Valley. Enjoy the exotic views of McLeodganj as you tipple over your favorite drink at the bar lounge in the Asia Health Resorts and Spa. They offer an exclusive collection of wines, tipsy cocktails, and a lot of other spirits coupled with the perfect snacks to make your day better. Alongside, they also have a nice music system for setting a mood for. Serving you a scrumptious choice of barbecue, the Asia Health Resorts and Spa wins on this one. Offering you an opportunity to gorge on some light barbecued food at the. Relax your muscles by indulging your body in a wonderful spa session offered by the resorts. This will make your holiday even more special with the additional relaxation that you get offered. Here is a brief description of what is offered at the spa: body massages, foot and head massage, body wrap, body polish, hand and foot spa, facial. What is a good spa without sauna and steam bath? Taking this into notice, the Asia Health Resorts and Spa also offer you a steam bath and sauna that will take you to the relaxation heaven and put you to sleep like nowhere else. Equipped with the one of the best of gaming facilities, there is a complete package of entertainment offered in the games room of the resort. Have some fun time with your family on vacation by playing with both adults and the kids. Some of the games offered here are pool table, air hockey, PlayStation 3, caroms, chess, ludo, fuzzball. All these historical and natural eye candies exist in the beautiful town of McLeodganj, giving you all the reasons to visit the place. However, what is the fun in visiting a place when you don't enjoy the luxury that is offered there? What more? They even have the unblemished Dal Lake located a few minutes away, giving you yet another place to check out. The fact that separates the Asia Health Resorts and Spa from the other places for stay in McLeodganj is the stunning views it offers. When you take time out of your hectic schedules, the views should obviously be worth it, right? Waking up to this view in the morning from your room is nothing less than heaven. Only resort in this region offering a temperature-controlled swimming pool, the Asia Health Resorts and Spa take comfort to the next level. You can access this pool either in cold winters or hot summers. Temperature is maintained as per the climate by the resort. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.